Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with your Friday's micro market recap at Target Trading Academy. Today is Friday, January 7th. It's almost 4 p.m. here Eastern Time. Let's get right into it with micro oil. Pretty slow today. We opened inside of yesterday's range, went to the close right away, and melted down to this HVA edge, high volume area that we give our students the night before. Immediate winner, and then it kind of just meandered for the remainder of the day at that area, and then dropped in the afternoon where we got another winner. But other than that, not a whole lot in oil. Pretty slow. Gold, if we just open that up, you can see not quite a large range again. We did get outside of yesterday's range. We opened right in the middle, pretty much at the close. News took us to the top where we were able to get a monster winner down, and then one other winner on the way up, another winner. So about 3-4 entries in gold for not having a ton of range based off of our areas that we give our students each night. Now let's get into our equities here. Even though they're winding down and not quite closed, they're pretty much done. You could probably say they'll end right here. I don't see them moving much in 15 minutes or so. So if we scroll back to our opening here, just one second. You can see we opened inside of yesterday's range, pretty much in the middle of it. Went to the close, came down, and then found some support where buyers stepped in, drove it back into the meat of yesterday's range, where they tried to take it higher yet again, and then they just stuffed it from there. They never came back to this area. Tons of selling off, quite a few entries on the way down for students to have taken based off of our methodologies. If they took it or not, that's up to them. We don't tell people what to take. We just teach people how to trade. It is up to them and them alone to pull the trigger on each execution, and they are ultimately responsible for it. But you'll see we have a lot of success with our methodologies here. Another winner here. We're that short, and then the market found some footing and decided to take it back up to today's middle of the market. So we are so far at a net decrease from yesterday, and we'll probably end right here in the ES. Now the NASDAQ, get that up for you. Much like the ES, there we go, started inside of yesterday's range, went to the close, and then meandered down and just melted down, unlike some other markets. Sorry, I just had a brain fart. What happens? Gold went the other way, remember? But NASDAQ came back up, and then much like the ES, tried it again, and boom, they smacked it down. Winner off of our methodology, and then that selling really kicked in. Winner, and then melted down some more, and then it came back up. We almost got to the contract low. I already passed it. I was really quick on it, but today there was quite a bit of volatility in the NASDAQ, and it had a bunch of reception off of our HVA edges that you can see. Monster winners right there. I mean, we're talking, it's 15,600-ish area, another 40 points or so to the top of that. That's a ton of money. If you don't know, 40 points, that's tons of money on a one lot. That's enough for most people. So today we do have a net down day. We almost got to the contract low in the NASDAQ. Yeah, we kind of skipped over it because it was quite a bit of volatility. But pretty good range. A little choppy in the morning. We did have that news that came out at 8:30. That did move the markets a bit, and then we got some trades then. And then around 10 was another good move of the market today. But if you're interested in finding out more information about these levels that we have ready each night for our students the day before they're trading, or interested in our methodologies and how we have so many live trading students in our room who are successful, feel free to reach out to us. We are targettradingacademy.com. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website that I just listed, get in touch with a representative, and you'll quickly see why we are the #1 trading education company in the world, and why we have so many live successful trading students in our room each day. Look forward to seeing you there.